come out again. Yeah.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Deja, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am doing a Sunday reset vlog, and I feel like I need this because I am tired. This has been a long week. I need to do some cleaning, wash my hair, do my shower routine, skincare, and some journaling. And if I'm gonna be honest, I did not feel like filming today, but I'm proud of myself for getting up because I'm trying to hit 10K subscribers. We can get there, so make sure you hit that button. But I am excited to get my life a little bit together. I feel like everyone needs that reset day, and so today's that day for me. If you guys want to see this Sunday reset vlog, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I really want to do is clean. Let me show you guys where we're starting off. Okay, so this is where we're starting off at. Usually my room is not this bad, but I have not been home, so it's like stuff all in this desk area. Bed needs to get organized. Stuff over here from like my trip needs to get organized. Some clothes over there, need to organize that. Clean some stuff down. Sure, there's some stuff in my closet that needs to be organized too. So let's get into all of this.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright.
So guys, I feel like I am sweating. Not that I feel like I am sweating, because my room gets so hot, which is why I'm like in my workout clothes. But I feel like my room looks so much better. So let me show you guys where we're at now. This is where we're at now. The desk, y'all look at this, looks so much better. My bed is made up. I'm gonna put like the actual pillow slips on later. Those are just some white ones, but I have some that actually go with that comforter. It looks clean over there. My mirror is there. My floor is pretty much clean now. Now, like, I do need to organize these bins. I feel like I just be throwing random things in there, but that's for a later time. But I feel like the room is looking so much better. Okay, so now that the room is clean, the next thing on the agenda for this Sunday reset is my shower routine. I need to wash my hair. I feel like it's greasy, so I'm gonna wash my hair, take a nice shower, do some skincare prep, and then after that, do some journaling and some planning for the week. Let's go ahead and wash my hair.
I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces.
So you guys, I am out of the shower. I feel good. I cleaned, washed my hair, so my hair is just drying. Now I want to get into my scent combo, and I'm excited for the scent combo because I've never combined all this together. So I'm gonna do my EOS pink champagne. I love this one. It has like a nice, beautiful, sweet scent to it. And then for my perfume, I'm gonna do the Sol de Janeiro 48. Now, as you can see, I feel like I just bought this and I made a dent. This one, okay, I love Sol de Janeiro, but I feel like the other ones last longer. Like the ones that are orange, I don't know why I can't think it's 70. The one that everyone pretty much has, and I have it too. I don't know why I can't think of the number. But this one does not last as long. I feel like I have to like keep on spraying it. Even when I spray it, I feel like it just like goes away. So that's why I'm trying this again while like combining some other stuff. And the thing I'm going to combine it with is this Yara roll-on perfume. So this is what this looks like. Now this one, I actually have the regular size perfume, but I'm like, you know what, let's try the roll-on because maybe with it being more of like that oil base as it is roll on, maybe it'll last longer. We'll see. We're gonna combine all this together. Then for my deodorant, I am doing the Dove aluminum free rose petals. So I guess you can say the goal for this is for it to be very floral, very summery, very sweet. So let's put it all together. Okay guys, so I finished putting everything on and I smell delicious, like very, very sweet. I feel like it will last. Like the scents together just smells so good. I feel like I unlocked a new combination, but I'm loving this. So as I let my hair dry, I'm gonna do some skincare. So wash my face and everything, because I still kind of have like some makeup on. Some of it came off in the shower, but still have a little bit on. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and journal, and yeah, we can enjoy the rest of our nights. Okay, so for skincare, I still do have some makeup on, so I'm going to take my micellar cleansing water with some cotton pads to remove my makeup. And then for my face wash, I am using the La Roche-Posay, and this one is for normal to oily skin, the purifying foaming cleanser. And I have never tried this brand actually, which is crazy because I feel like it is so famous, but my aunt gave it to me, so we're gonna try this, which I'm very excited. And then I'm gonna go in with a peel off mask. Now this is just one with bamboo charcoal. And is this really good for my skin? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not plugging this one because I have not used this one enough. I feel like I just want to do a face mask and just pull off, so why not? But this I do love, and this of course is a well-known brand, and so I'm excited to try it. So let's remove the makeup.
Ain't no amount of time in this world. Send me a lot of time and just let me feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you belong to me.
So my skin is all washed and clean. I feel like that cleanser, I feel like really gets your skin clean, or maybe it's because I'm not used to it. I feel like when you have new products, it just feels different, but I feel like my skin feels very nice and clean. Now for this face mask, I'm actually using this little tool that I got from Dollar Tree. If you watched my last video, this was in there, so I'm excited to actually use it. But it's just a little tool to help with face mask essentially. The top was struggling, so I just took off the top part, but I'm just gonna use this. Okay, I've had one of these before actually, from like Amazon, so this is actually pretty nice and handy. I have not used the other side to this yet, but I'm excited. And honestly, I need to start doing face masks more often. I feel like I've been slacking with face mask. So comment below if you guys have a face mask you guys love. I really do love the Aztec clay mask. The only thing with that, I feel like it just takes time to do. Like maybe I'm just lazy, but that one just takes time to do. And also it makes my face feel super tight. Sometimes I don't want that feeling, you know, like I just don't want that feeling all the time. So I feel like I want to maybe like a good sheet mask. I feel like that would be nice, because sheet mask, I feel like are the most simple thing ever. You literally just sit it on your face and then that's it. So I feel like if someone has a good sheet mask, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, I feel like this tool definitely did its thing. I feel like this was a great buy for what, $1.25 for sure. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for like 10 to 15 minutes, and while it sits, might as well go ahead and journal. So now it is time to journal. I'm sitting down at my desk. I feel like this is something that I do not do enough, sit down at my desk and actually like write out my thoughts. Now I have a journal that's on my phone and I can just type things out or just like talk to it essentially, which is wonderful. But I feel like it's something about writing things out. And honestly, when you start to write things out, you start to realize like, wow, I do not know how to spell, because I feel like we're so used to just typing everything and having autocorrect. And this journal, I feel like it's a very cute journal. I got mine off of Amazon, and yeah, just like a nice spiral one. And at the top, you actually can put the date, which I think is great. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, at the top, you can put the date. I feel like it's a good size. I got this size just in case I do want to travel with it. But I feel like I have lots of different thoughts. It's the summertime. I feel like this is a time of having fun. I've been meeting new people, some great people. I feel like I just want to like journal about that, essentially, the summertime, new people that I have met. And honestly, I feel like I'm at a really good place. I feel like it is nice to journal that. Sometimes I get caught up in journaling like when things go bad and I'm like, I need to vent and just write out my thoughts. But I feel like life is up right now. Like I've really have been enjoying things. I feel like God has been blessing me in so many ways. So I want to write this down. I think journaling is great because you can go back and reflect it. I still have my journal from high school. And y'all, when I say like, I was talking about like the ACT and SAT and stressing about that. And now being done with college, looking back at it, I'm just like, it was never that serious. It was never that serious. But I thought it was so serious. And I feel like I probably look crazy right now talking to y'all with this mask, but whatever. It was never that serious. And sometimes, like, of course, your problems are real problems. But when you look back on it, it's like, I got through that. So that it is nice to journal about, like, different things. But also the good things that happen. Sometimes you can forget all the good things and the people that you meet. So it's good to write that down. So like I said, I feel like I have lots to say. And I'm glad I'm catching it now. Because sometimes I catch it, like, at the point where it's over. So I have to, like, think back. So let's get into writing.
Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like it all. She gets down just like it all. Burn the blood, she's not
Okay, y'all, so I did start journaling. I did not finish. I feel like I have lots to say. But I do want to take this mask off. I wonder if I just like... I gotta do is like pull off with that. But literally, what all you do is just pull it off. I feel like even like after I peel this type of mask off, I kind of have to like go in with some water. Just really get it all off. But I don't know, I feel like I applied this a little too good. It's like harder to peel. But also I have these nails on, so I got the mask off. I did have to wet a towel to kind of get the rest of it off, but I feel like my skin looks pretty glowy. It looks nice, looks refreshed. But that is the end of this Sunday reset vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure that you guys give it a like and make sure that you guys comment below and also subscribe to my channel. But this was fun to do. I feel like I got some things done. Hopefully this motivated you to get some things done too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.